Hello guys, today I have the Xiaomi Leica Leitz Phone and I'm going to show you how to use the AI scene recognition in your camera. So, at first we need to open the camera like this. Tap here this arrow and tap settings. Here, now you need to tap AI recommendations and make sure the scene recommendations option is enabled. Now, when we are in the photo mode in our application, like this, we'll have our scene recognition enabled. So let me, for example, try to take a photo of this flower. As you can see, we have moved farther away. If I tap and enable the macro mode, the photo will be better, but now, as you can see, it works. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.